Just got this laptop from Warehouse Stationery. It's on sale at the moment for about 250 bucks. And of course I wiped Windows off it and put Linux on it. And I thought I'd just give you a quick look. So we'll open up a web browser. Go to YouTube. Play a video. Yeah, it's surprisingly good quality for what it is.
Most of us dream about designing our own dream home. It would take
So Linux found all the drivers. It was good, or Brynux, should I say? And of course, because it's Linux based, all the software is free. So I installed a game just to show what the graphics are like. Single player, fight, bring it on. I'm only using one hand, so this is a bit tricky. Pretty cool though, eh? Now the thing about these machines is they make them so for Windows users, they're after about a year or 2 years, they're not usable anymore because Windows updates. And because they've only got a 32 gig hard drive, the hard drive runs out of space and they can't actually update anymore, which is just really stupid because it means more e-waste in our dumps and stuff like that. But if you put Linux on them, they're actually a really good machine. So this has got 4 gig of RAM, and I just copied my profile over from my other laptop, so all my email and stuff should be set up on it. It's having a think. If we go over here, I'll pull out the power. And it's got 11 hours of battery on it. Awesome, eh? So again, awesome laptop, only about 250 bucks. If you're looking for one, buy them from Warehouse Stationery. If you need a hand putting Brynux on it, just send me a message.